Hi guys, this is Erica from Gokce Capital. Now before I begin, be sure to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. In 2015, Jesse and Alyssa quit their lives in the big city and bought 5 acres of remote land to build a homestead. 5 years later, they had their dream home. We'll learn more about how they did it later. But first, are you planning to build your own home? You'll have to design it first. And in today's video, we have a few apps that can help. Number 1, what are the benefits of home design apps? Home design apps can be incredibly helpful when you're planning to build a home or transform an existing space. These days, they are readily available, easy to use, and affordable. Number 2, what are the best apps to help you produce a set of floor plans? Here is a quick list. RoomScan Pro, which allows you to scan your room to get dimensions as well as a 3D model. Live Home 3D, which also allows you to create a 3D model of a floor plan. Planner 5D, which is another app that allows you to create a floor plan and then see a 3D model of it. Floor Planner, a similar app that allows you to create a floor plan, drop in furniture, and then see a 3D model. And SketchUp, which has several different versions, including one that works with an iPad and allows you to, again, create floor plans quickly and see a 3D model of these plans. Number 3, what are the best apps for interior design? There's Room Styler, which allows you to create a custom room within minutes. Home by Me, which again allows you to customize a room based on their catalog that features a number of different products. And Home Styler, which is an easy-to-use program with simple drag-and-drop functions that allow you to customize a room with furniture, openings, and floors. And finally, here's a bonus. What is the best app for organization? When it comes to home renovations, the Home Renovator is a great help. It allows you to plan and track the materials you need, such as drywall, paint, ceiling tile, and insulation. It also gives you free worksheets that allow you to plan out how much material you will need, as well as an estimated price. So that covers the basics of a few home design apps. But before you go crazy, a word of caution. A design app may make it seem very easy to put together your own set of plans. However, once you commit to building, you will find that the design process may be more tedious and difficult than it seems. Take, for example, the experience of one young couple who moved from a big Colorado city to the mountains to design and build their own homestead. At the beginning of the project, the couple downloaded SketchUp and used it to model a simple 3D wood frame structure. They started out with a 24 by 36 box with a single pitched roof. The problem, however, was this roof did not provide for a loft, which meant that they lost out on a lot of space. A more pitched roof iteration, on the other hand, looked awkward, and though it did technically allow for a loft, fitting the stairs in while keeping the floor plan open proved to be tricky. Frustrated, the couple took a break and went to a timber workshop to learn the basic engineering principles of timber frame construction. They then went back to the drawing board and drew up a design based on the principles they had learned. This iteration featured a gable roof using the engineering calculations from the workshop, as well as 20-foot structural bays that allowed for the maximum spacing between columns. But that was just the beginning. They still needed a floor plan that worked, and this took numerous iterations as well. For one, how do you work around the interior columns? Do you meet all of the clearance requirements for doors, fixtures, and appliances? And are your hallways and fire escapes up to the fire code? Which is to say that yes, it is possible to design a house yourself, but it may take a lot more time and effort than you think. And the cost of educating yourself on engineering principles and codes may end up being the same as hiring an architect to help. But whichever route you take, it's important to be realistic with your time frame and budget, although this does not mean you should be discouraged. With commitment, proper planning, a few affordable apps, and the right help, you too can design your dream home. But what do you think? Do you have any stories about home design apps? Let us know in the comments. Did you like this video? You're going to love our Gokce Land Due Diligence program. We'll make you a land due diligence expert in just 7 days. Check it out at gokcecapital.com/glad. And while you're at our website, don't forget to explore our $1 down properties at gokcecapital.com/listings. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out. You can email, call, or text, and we will respond as soon as possible. So thank you for listening, and more to come.